तलीमी अज़ाज़ात, सेक्रेटरी साहब उमर तलबात,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Most respected Hazur, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We most humbly present before Hazur Anwar the names of those candidates who have achieved academic excellence in their particular fields of education. Their certificates and medals will inshallah be presented to them at a later date. Following are the candidates who achieved excellence in GCSEs. Miral Ahmed, Edinburgh. Parsa Maham, Dudley. Hibbatul Alim, Cardiff. Dua Hamid, Manchester East. Sabika Jajja, Tooting. Aman Razia Said, Southall. Afsha Ahmed, Liverpool. Maham Khan, Leeds. Arusa Numan Muhammad, Bristol. Hania Nasir, Thornton Heath, South. Saria Yasar, Dudley. Malaika Latif, Thornton Heath, South. Sameen Ahmed, Birmingham Central. Kanta Majid, Manchester East. Jazba Tahir, Baitul Ihsan. Basma Ahmed, Earlsfield. Drisha Ahmed, Colliers Wood. Satwat Hayat, Richmond Park. Amara Zafar, Northampton. Malahat Mansoor, Baitul Ihsan. Jasmine Ahmed, Baitul Fatu East. Alina Sultan, Bradford North. Aliza Ijaz, Rains Park. Humda Khan, Mitcham Park. Atiyatul Sabu Faruqi, Crawley. Amatul Malik Maha Wahid, Aldershot North. Aisha Bhatti, Putney Heath. Dua Qasim, Putney Heath. Roya Khan, Blackburn. Adila Zahid, Hayes. Amal Afzal, Sheffield. Aisha Bhatti, Newcastle. Hibbatul Noor, Liverpool. We now move on to the names of those students who have achieved excellence in A-level studies. Hania Butt, Selsdon. Nabiha Said, Peterborough. Arush Mubashir, Baitul Fatu. Ayla Ahmed, Havering. Nooram Rashid, Mitcham Park. Alicia Walton, Edinburgh. Kashfa Zahid, Hayes. Labiba Naim, Bradford North. Sabah Qasser, Hounslow South. Safa Ahmed, Epsom. Amr Mudassir, Malik Sidkohi, Malden Manor. Labiba Rahman, Guildford. Fatima Numan, Birmingham South. Sophia Chaudhry, Leamington Spa. Samara Maheen, Scunthorpe. Sumra Nasrullah, Walsall. Sabba Rajput, Greenford. Aiza Sethi, Banstead. Borsha Rahman, Oxford. Kuba Mubashir, Battersea. Isha Ahmed, Worcester Park. Nayara Bilal, Edinburgh. Zina Buttar, Glasgow North. Laiba Buttar, Glasgow North. Labiba Said Jawad, Burton upon Trent. Isha Mirza, Aldershot South. We now present before Hazur Anwar the names of graduates and postgraduates. Rija Ahmed, Aldershot South. Tasneema Rahim, North London. Rizwana Lawn, Gillingham. Madiha Mahmood, Ewell. Misha Mir, Bradford North. Aisha Qamar, Huddersfield North. Shibra Khan, Hounslow North. Nabila Nasir, Colliers Wood. Sophia Aruj, Ash. Nafisa Amini, Putney Heath. Maha Munawwar, Leeds. Mubina Shahid, Norbury. Anika Bushra Chuktai, Solihull. Hala Hadi, Deer Park. Tania Ahmed, Leeds. Dr. Rubab Wasim, Glasgow North. Dr. Sana Rahman, Bromley and Lewisham. Numude Sahar Kaloon, Baitul Fatu East. Yusra Fateh Tahri, Islamabad. Varda Burhan, Guildford. Alia Qureshi, Worcester Park. Neha Yasin, Battersea. Naveed-e-Islam Hayat, Carshalton. Aisha Tahir, Manchester East. Amtul Ala Noor Malik Sadkohi, Malden Manor. Ghazala Mansoor, Manchester West. Saira Nudrat, Manchester South. Labina Sophia Hanif, Wandsworth. Zoha Suhail, Battersea. Maha Noor Peer, Batul Isan. Dr. Shaista Talat Ginai, Ash. Dr. Frida Butt, Banstead. Dr. Annam Saifullah, Bristol. The following are students that obtained their qualifications abroad. Maliha Ahmed Khan, Mosque East. Aman Majid, A Country in the Middle East. Maham Arshad, Sheffield. Tehreem Khalid, Bradford North. Dure Maknoon Razia, Modern South. Misbah Mavish Chaudhry, Bradford North. Hibbatul Wadood Butt, Barking and Dagenham. This concludes our presentation. Jazakallah Ahsan al Jaza.